Hello, welcome to Just Prime. As part of this video, we are going to see how to reverse a string by using a reverse function and without a reverse function. So this is one of the very important interview question you will be getting when we are facing the interviews. So let us see a simple example. With that we are going to understand how to reverse a string by using the reverse function and without reverse function. So this is the main point, so we need to understand over here. Also, once you reverse a string, then you can compare with the original string. Then if both are same, then we used to call that as a palindrome. So this is the main question you will be getting in the interview. So how to write a program for a palindrome to confirm a string is palindrome or not. So that we are going to achieve it by reversing a string. So let me write a simple program to understand this one. Okay, so I'm going to write a simple program how to reverse a string. So basically once you reverse a string, if you compare the reverse string with the original string, both are same, then in that case we used to consider that as a palindrome. Okay, let me give the our file name as a palindrome and let me finish it. Okay, first let me take one of the string original string equal to madam. So this is one of the string I have taken it. So now I'm going to what I'm going to do, I want to reverse the string and I want to compare it with the original string. Then we can conclude the string is a palindrome or not. So before reversing the string, so we need to understand what are the different ways to reverse it. So the simple way is we can use the reverse function, but when you are facing the interviews, the interviewer may ask you to not to use the reverse string, so you have to use the different ways to use reverse the string. So let me type reverse string, right? So let me assign this is empty. So what we have to do, after reversing the string, so you can compare the original string with reverse string. So this equals method we have already seen in the previous string methods, right? So basically what it will try to compare the string with the original string, and if both are equal it will print. So let me print here palindrome, else you can print not a palindrome. So this is the simple way to verify a string is palindrome or not, right? Okay, now I guess I said right, like this string can be reversed. A simple way is by using a reverse function, but interviewer will ask you. So interviewer will ask you don't use any inbuilt functions. So in that case, how we are going to achieve it? So we are not going to use any reverse function over here. So instead of that, what we are going to do? We are going to use a inbuilt function. Inbuilt functions we have to use. The inbuilt functions are, now let me write a simple program. How can we write int length equal to original string dot length minus 1, L greater than or equal to 0, L minus 1. So you need to understand this loop, very important. So basically if you see here, right, we are trying to start the loop from the total length minus 1. So why we are doing minus 1 over here? Because we are going to use the string will give the index from the 0. So this is the way the indexing will start. So we have to start the indexing, string will start by default the indexing with 0. So when you reverse the string, so we have to reverse from here and come till 0 indexing. So that's the reason we are trying to start the loop from the reverse. from the last point. So that's the reason. So once you loop is ready, what you have to take each character from this string and append to reverse. So that is the next step. So how we are going to take the character? So there is a char at function we have already seen in the previous example, so that you can take it. So you can take it. So this is the way what we are trying to, we are taking every time based on the index one character from the end to till starting, and we are appending to reverse string, and then finally you will be getting the reverse string. So after that what you have to, you can compare the reverse string with the original and you can decide whether this is a palindrome or not. Now let me run it. If you see here, this is a palindrome. Now let me change the content to something else. A, B, C. So in this case, if I run this program, it's telling clearly not a palindrome, right? So let me give another example. R, so this is one of the palindrome example. Now let me run it. So RADAEAR, this is the radar. So let me rerun. You can see over here, this is the palindrome. So sometimes, so interviewer might little twist you. So he will make a radar, right? So this is also same as a palindrome, but let me run it. What will happen? So you'll be getting not a palindrome. Why? Because when you reverse the string, what you will get over here? R A D A R, capital. So if you compare both the strings, it is not equal because here capital R is there, here small is there. So what you have to do, just to make this string in a single case, you have to convert this string to either lower case or upper case, so that you can eliminate these problems. Now let me rerun this program again and then we can see it. So you can see over here is a palindrome. So this is the way you can able to verify one of the string by using a simple length method. We can able to define whether it's a palindrome or not. I think that's all about this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe the channel for more subsequent videos, and thank you.